here to talk to you about the four main models that make up North American cities. The first model I'll talk about is the concentric zone model. The concentric zone model was created by a Canadian-American urban sociologist by the name of Ernest Burgess in 1924. The model states that rings of the city will be based on socioeconomic class, with the lowest socioeconomic class living near the CBD and the upper and middle class living away from the CBD in the suburbs. An example of this model is Chicago, Illinois. This was the city Burgess applied his model to when he was creating it. The zones or rings identified in the model are, with the inside being the center of the CBD, 2 being the transition zone or mixed residential and commercial uses. It's called the zone of transition. The third is the working class and residential homes, inner suburbs. And then you have 4 right here, better quality middle class homes, which is the outer suburbs, and out here you have the commuter zone. The second model we will discuss is the sector model. The sector model was created by the economist Homer Hoyt in 1939. The sector model, also known as the Hoyt model, is based on socioeconomic class as well as transportational costs. This model is a modification of the concentric zone model, which we talked about previously. The sector model states that upper class live far away from the lower class. The sector model is also an urban land use model. The benefits include the model's ability for outward growth of the city. And you'll see as we have here, this is the CBD. These 2 pieces of pizza right here would be the CBD. This would be where the manufacturing is going on. This would be where the lower class is living, in the CBD and manufacturing area where more lower cost homes will be. And then right here you have the middle class, and in this slice of pizza we'll have the upper class. And as you can see from the model, the upper class are living far away from the lower class, like it was stated in the concentric zone model. The next model we will discuss is the multiple nuclei model. This model was created by a geographer by the name of Chauncey Harris. The multiple nuclei model is a model of urban land use in which a city grows from several independent points rather than a single central business district. The goal of the multiple nuclei model was to state that urban growth can occur anywhere when given the opportunity, without the influence of a CBD, which can cause suburbs to become edge cities. Each independent point is a growth center from a particular kind of use, examples being industry, retail, or high-quality real estate. And here you can see we have an example of the sector model which I've put together. This would be the old CBD, and then we have these as possible suburbs where more business, like this could be where retail is, where a retail point is starting to grow, and then here could be where you have certain services that need to be done. You go to this area, and then here would be an example of real estate, or more real estate would be happening, and these could all eventually become edge cities. Our final model we will be discussing is the urban realms model, which was introduced by James Vance in 1964. The urban realms model shows the individual components that make up a modern metropolis. Each realm is separate and is used for its own purpose, but all of the realms are linked together to form one large city. The example I've set up here is one I found online. I use potatoes because that's what I found most relevant to this model. But this empty space you can see in between here is the central city, or the current CBD, and these are all edge cities. These outside potatoes are edge cities. So you can see as there's more edge cities that specialize in different things, the CBD will tend to move towards the edge city, causing the overall expansion of the city.
3.
Hello, I'm Jonathan Perez. Thank you for watching this. I hope that helped you better understand the 4 main models we learned today that make up modern-day North American cities. We learned about the concentric zone model, we learned about the sector model, we learned about the multiple nuclei model, and we learned about the urban realms model. Thank you for watching.